If you're searching for a reliable way to move water, chemicals, or other fluids, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the best 12V diaphragm pump options available and what makes them stand out. Number 1. Ssaflo 33 Diaphragm Pump. The Ssaflo 33 diaphragm pump stands out as a reliable and high-performing 12V pump tailored for those who need steady and efficient water flow in various settings such as RVs, boats, and moderate-pressure water systems. With its advanced 3-chamber diaphragm design, this pump delivers a consistent flow rate of up to 3.0 GPM, making it suitable for operating up to 4 fixtures simultaneously. Its self-priming capability of up to 6 feet provides flexible installation options, while its ability to run dry without damage ensures durability and dependability even in unpredictable conditions. The automatic pressure switch is another valuable feature, enabling the pump to start and stop automatically in response to water demand. Crafted with EDPM valves and a centroprene diaphragm, it handles a maximum recommended temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, offering both resilience and versatility. The included components, such as the 51S01 filter and 51F001 fittings, simplify installation and maintenance. This pump is well suited for those seeking a moderately powerful pump that balances efficiency with reliability. Its smooth, steady water flow and automatic operation make it a practical choice for off-grid adventures, mobile applications, and household water systems requiring a compact yet capable pump. Number 2. Everflo EF5500 Pump. The Everflo EF5500 pump is an impressive 12V diaphragm pump designed for both agricultural and fluid transfer applications. Its ability to handle up to 5.5 GPM at 60 psi makes it a strong contender for those needing high-capacity performance and a compact design. Approved for agricultural use, this pump is ideal for sprayers and disinfectant systems, with its fiberglass-reinforced polypropylene manifold ensuring durability against harsh chemicals and demanding conditions. The EF5500's self-priming capability extends up to 8 feet, providing versatility in varied setups and fieldwork scenarios. The inclusion of a standard mounting pattern ensures compatibility with most sprayer tanks, simplifying installation and integration. Beyond agricultural settings, it works well for fluid transfer tasks, including sanitizing operations and water delivery systems. This pump is a reliable replacement option for numerous existing models and brands, enhancing its adaptability. Its straightforward design and powerful output make it ideal for both professional and personal use, whether on the farm, in the workshop, or for vehicle-mounted systems. The Everflo of EF5500 strikes an excellent balance between rugged construction, dependable performance, and ease of use. Number 3. Pumpoasis 12V Pump. The Pumpoasis 12V pump is a versatile and robust option for users requiring a dependable pump for a wide array of applications. From agricultural spraying and garden irrigation to RV water systems and boat plumbing, this pump delivers reliable performance wherever needed. Its rated flow of 2.5 GPM with a maximum pressure of 60 psi ensures adequate pressure for most standard tasks. The adjustable pressure switch allows users to tailor the operation to suit specific requirements, and the automatic shutoff feature extends the pump's lifespan by preventing unnecessary wear. Built with corrosion-resistant, high-quality diaphragm and a durable all-copper motor, this pump is designed for long-term reliability. It boasts a service life expectancy of over 15 years, offering significant value over time. The integrated internal design minimizes leak risks, while the rubber base contributes to stable, quiet operation. Compatible with a range of fluids, including freshwater and chemicals, it's a suitable option for users needing a multi-purpose, reliable pump. Additionally, Pumpoasis backs its product with responsive customer service, adding extra peace of mind for users investing in this capable device.
Number 4. Ebusin 12V Pump. The Ebusin 12V pump delivers impressive flow and pressure performance, capable of reaching up to 5.5 GPM and 60 psi. It's a high-capacity pump suited for applications requiring fast, efficient water delivery, including RV systems, sprayers, and fluid transfer tasks. Notable for its self-priming capability up to 10 feet, it offers flexible installation options and dependable suction. The 6-foot 20A power cord included with the pump enables straightforward, out-of-the-box use, enhancing convenience. Its thermally protected motor safeguards against overheating, ensuring consistent, reliable operation even during demanding use. The Ebusin pump features a fiberglass reinforced polypropylene manifold with a half-inch MNPT port, maintaining compatibility with standard RV and sprayer tank fittings. Designed with durability in mind, this pump utilizes corrosion-resistant materials, improving its longevity in harsh environments. It also comes with a generous 3-year warranty and a hassle-free return service, reflecting the company's commitment to customer satisfaction. This makes the Ebusin 12V pump a smart choice for users seeking a reliable, high-performance pump for recreational, agricultural, or utility applications. Number 5. Aimela 12V DC. The Aimela 12V DC pump impresses with its superior craftsmanship and efficient performance, ideal for a broad spectrum of applications. Constructed with premium PPS material for the pump head and accessories, alongside a robust copper motor and double bearings, this pump offers excellent corrosion resistance, high pressure tolerance, and low power consumption. With a flow rate of 5 liters per minute and a power rating of 36 W, it provides steady and reliable water delivery. The built-in pressure switch enhances operational ease by automatically halting the pump when pressure drops and restarting as needed. This feature ensures intelligent control and prolongs pump life. The Aimela pump's versatility is evident in its broad application scope, from industrial equipment and cleaning systems to vehicle washing, water purification, and HVAC maintenance. Installation is simplified with included hose clamps and user-friendly design. Each pump undergoes a rigorous water test before market release, guaranteeing dependable performance upon delivery. Should any issues arise, Aimela offers prompt customer support to resolve problems efficiently. For users prioritizing durability, efficiency, and versatile application, the Aimela 12V DC pump represents a smart and trustworthy option.